Important Paleolithic sites. One by one. Son Valley. Son Valley, Punjab. Bolan Valley, Northwest India. Belan Valley, UP. Narmada Valley, Madhya Pradesh. Narmada Valley, Madhya Pradesh. Hangsi, Karnataka. Muchela, Chintamani Gavi, Kurnool. Muchila, Chintamani Gavi, Kurnool. Okay, next point. They manufactured tools such as hand axe, cleavers and choppers. They manufactured stone tools such as hand axe, cleavers, choppers with quartzite stone. Very, very important. Write down quartzite stone. Quartzite stone. Paleolithic tools were, write down, Paleolithic tools were simple, crude, C-R-U-D, crude, comma, rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough and large in size. They were purely utilitarian in nature. They were purely utilitarian in nature. They were purely utilitarian in nature. Okay, now we will move on to Mesolithic phase. Yeah, subheading Mesolithic phase. It can also be called as Microlithic phase. Already I have given the timeline. So this, in Greek language, meso means middle, lithic means stone. So it's a middle phase between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic. Now tell me, let's say for example, by holding the 5 kgs hand axe, can he run after the deer? Can he fight against the animals? It is so difficult for the Paleolithic man. Then what this man has done, this man has reduced the size. Now look at the tools what they have used in the Microlithic phase.